Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can add a LUT to your image in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So first of all, once you have done the skin retouching, or even though you haven't done the skin retouching, you want to add the LUT to your picture, just make sure you duplicate the background layer at first by just clicking Command J, or you drag the layer right to this point to duplicate, just like that. So whichever works for you is fine. So I'll undo that by just clicking Command Z. So once I'm done with that, the next thing for me to do is to come to this color lookup. So once I click on the color lookup, it's going to display this. So I'll come to the LUT 3D LUT. I'll click on it. So these other ones you're seeing right here is actually the inbuilt LUT that comes with this Photoshop. So I'm not going to use any of these. I'll just click on LUT 3D LUT. So once it takes you to your folder, so make sure you locate where you have your LUT. So I'll just come to my desktop, then I'll come click on the LUT. So the one I'm going to use right here is actually the LUT cube, the 4 cube. So if you're interested in getting any LUT, just check on the description. You see a link on how to get a LUT. So after clicking on the 4 cube right here, I'm just going to click open. So after clicking open, the effect has been added. So let me just show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So you can see the LUT has been added to my image on Photoshop. So it's actually very easy to add LUT to your image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in my next video.